Alright, people. What's going on? Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back to the live stream. Hope you guys are doing well. Happy Friday. Happy Friday. Let me just get Zoom all up and running here. Let me just see. Oh, we got everyone. Good morning, everyone. 48 people tuned in. Good morning, everyone. Today is Friday, 15th of March. Last day of the week. Last day of the week to make that money. End the week strong. We will jump in a second once we get the Zoom guys in. Hope you're all last trading day of the week. I'm good, thank you, Corey. I'm good, thank you. Hope you're well as well, man. Good to have you on the stream. Let me invite the guys on Zoom. All right, let me go here. Zoom. How's everyone's week been? You guys on YouTube? Have you guys had a good week, bad week, learning week? No such thing as a bad week here. Only learning weeks. What's the poll saying? Let's have a look at the poll as well. I was interested to see what people were thinking this morning. We'll end the poll. Let's see the poll here. Evening from Vancouver. Good evening, man. Good evening. Don't forget the aircon and record. Already on it. 87% people bullish, 12% bearish on gold today, which is good to know, actually. That's good to know. I'm also bullish on gold. I'm bullish on gold, and this 30 is actually starting to flip quite bullish. Yeah, good morning, everyone. Learning week, good. Learned a lot. Good one, and learning, amazing. That's what it's all about. Whether you made money or lost money, you've learned something this week. So good job. Not every week has to be a home run. Yeah, if you have had a home run, well done. We had some shorts on the New York stream yesterday, about 32 pips in 5 minutes. Not hosted by me, hosted by one of the members of the community, called the Very Very Nice Short. It ended up being a very very nice position actually. So we're pretty happy with that. Getting humbled every day. Yeah, sounds about right, man. Sounds about right. Thought pros would be interesting. Seems like a lot of resistance. Yeah, I got some decent liquidity levels today. Let's just have a quick look at the news here on gold. See if we got anything coming up today. Let's have a look. What's going on? Where's the screen gone? Where's the screen gone? What have we done? We've broken it already. Right, we've broken it already. Look at this. Not even 2 minutes in and we've already broken it. Yeah. Working? No, not working. What the fuck? What have I done? I've done something. Oh, there we go. Are we on? Yeah, cool. There we go. We got there in the end. Third time lucky. Yeah, and happy Friday. Happy Friday, man. Let the guys in on Zoom here and we'll start breaking this down. Did a cut from code on top step? No, just click the link, man. It's all automatic. It's all automatic, man. I'm just gonna let the guys in on Zoom here. What time is it? 4:55. Cool. We got like 5 minutes. Share screen. Everyone's joining. All right, cool. Zoom guys are in. What's going on, Zoom guys? Welcome back. Welcome back. Fuck it out. This is how we're starting the stream today. Good evening. What's going on, Brian? What's going on, Zoom guys? Welcome back. So today on gold, we got some US dollar news at around 12:30 and again at 2 p.m. Your Empire State Manufacturing Index, don't know how much impact that will have, but then you have consumer sentiment at 2 p.m. London time. 2 p.m. London time. Yes, happening at 5 minutes after you finish the stream. I know, man, I know. I stayed on for an extra amount of time and then it did still, and after I did then went off, yeah, it then ended up having a very, very big push, which is pretty typical. And we even stayed on like half an hour longer than what we normally would. But hopefully today will be good. Record, yes, yes, yes. Where are we?
Recording in progress.
There we go. Cool. Aaron, do you have a video on risk management covering the process closing trades? Yes, I do, man. Yep, there is a. I'm just trying to think exactly which one, but no, I can't remember which one. But go watch one of the previous trade breakdowns. They're in there, man. I'll be posting a trade recap maybe over the weekend of a trade that we took last week as well with good managed trade, or even go watch the live stream yesterday. I managed a trade at like -6 pips or something. So you can even go watch yesterday's live stream. Hey, Alan, what's going on, guys? Welcome back. How do you join your groups? That's Zoom. Links in the bio of the video, man, if you want to. Or you can just keep tuning into the stream. It's up to you guys. People are joining. YouTube, guys, remember, drop a little like for the stream. We're going to jump straight in here. I think everyone's pretty much here. We'll crack open a cold one. It's just a sparkling water, though. We'll relax. Beautiful. So yeah, let's have a look at gold here, because this daily's pretty interesting. Again, there was some nice buys on gold today in the Asian session. You guys who did watch the Asia market call, where was our liquidity levels now? We talked about gold buys up into here once you came to grab, was it these lows? I believe these lows. Once you closed back above, had buys in Asia up into that high. So you guys who did trade Asia and take that, well done. I'm doing these like kind of Asia / very late afternoon New York market breakdowns pretty much every day here now in Discord. So you guys give me some good feedback. Asia been playing nicely. Yeah, Asia's been playing nicely, man. Yeah, Asia's been playing better than London recently, which has been very, very nice. But yeah, let's have a look at gold here on the daily. We'll do a bit of top down here. This is not gold, so let's not start there. Let's start here. There we go. Beautiful. So, let me just clean up some of these. Where's my levels? Have I done my analysis on the wrong chart? Maybe. Let me get rid of these levels. Let's just start from scratch here today on gold. Start from some fresh analysis to end the week. Fresh analysis. Can I do a? No, I can't. So let's take a look at what's actually happened so far this week on gold. You kind of see market open here on Monday. We've come down. We've found some support around that 2150 level and started to push back up. Now, as I mentioned yesterday, gold, well, even one more now, gold for the past 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days hasn't liquidated any of these daily highs. Now, I haven't seen this in a very, very long time. The last time I saw something like this was maybe like, maybe get like 3 or 4 equal highs, then you grab the daily highs and push down. But to see 5 consecutive daily candles all respecting each other is incredibly, incredibly rare. So if you can get buys on gold back up into all these daily highs, you're going to have a very, very big trade. And that's kind of what we've been talking about since yesterday. I was seeing if that news could come out bullish yesterday for gold and see if we could get this push up. But you can kind of see here, we came down, we grabbed Wednesday's low, tapped into a massive level of 4-hour support, and then just continued that push back up. So you had all of this support here yesterday on gold, all of this, and you're having a pretty nice reaction already off this level. That's like almost 120 plus ticks, just grabbing previous daily low and bouncing off that daily support. So that's the daily on gold. Liquidity levels are sitting up here. Actually, I'll be watching this one first as a reaction level. I'll be watching this area as the level of liquid. Did you grab it? Yes, you did. Oh, let's go back daily highs. Ignore me. Got in on that. Very nice. Good man. Good man. I would imagine, you can kind of see here on gold. This is much higher time frame analysis, but it's gonna it's going to paint the picture for us for when we drop down soon as well. So if you guys are like, why the hell are you analyzing the 4 hourly if you're day trading? But it's important. Because I would imagine right now a lot of retail traders will very soon be getting trapped in something like this, because your textbook market structure tells you that this is a higher high, this is a higher low, lower low, lower high, and you're going to be looking for this to come down and create a lower low. So, you know, retails will be looking at something like this. You have to understand, here you didn't actually create a new low, so you just found this support. So you could easily see this push back up. And when you start tapping into this trend line, you know, you may spike up a little bit more. When you start tapping into this area, I believe you could see gold pull back a little bit and then stop out anyone who's jumping in sells here. I think sells here on gold is very much a retail trap. That's why I wanted to do that poll, and it's good to see most of you guys are bullish. I did it in Telegram as well. Let me just have a look what it was in Telegram. 50-50. That's only 6 votes, but 50-50 on Telegram. But on YouTube it was around like 80% you guys are bullish on the day, which is actually good to see. And we're bullish up into these overall highs. So this is the trend line. This is the second touch area, previous daily highs. So I'll get rid of the trend line now just to keep it clean, pure price action. We've grabbed yesterday's low, so I don't need to mark this on anymore. That's already been grabbed. And we take a look at here on the hourly on gold. You have started to find some resistance. So that doesn't mean you can't get some potential intraday pullbacks before seeing this push back up. You kind of form this resistance. You create a little double top here, grab hourly lows and continue pushing higher. And you may see the exact same thing again. You may grab hourly lows, and I'll be looking at all of this area here on gold as a potential area to come up and tap. 5 minute, I was watching a 5 minute here just so it doesn't move whilst we're breaking it down, but 5 minutes not really moving just yet. It has just closed bullish, but I think we got time. Classic triangle bullish compression pattern. Nice. Come up to wipe everyone up for the drop next week, I reckon. Yeah, I agree. Let's have a quick look at the weekly, because the weekly is going to close obviously after today. Weekly bullish, weekly double top. Yeah, very nice. If this weekly doesn't flip bullish, then, you know, next week may come down, grab the lows, and then see the push up. That's fine. We'll cross that bridge when we come to it. But for today, for London session, we would be looking for something like this, I think. So if we can see, we may come down and see on the 30, it doesn't look like you would need to. This 30 looks like if this 30 can flip bullish, you may see that push. So the 30 and the hourly are kind of contradicting slightly there. Hey Tom, what's going on, man? I mean, if you can see this 30 flip bullish on gold, what would you have? Yeah, 17 ticks, not bad. Because you may grab the hourly low, but look in here on the 30. This is a very nice previous 30-minute candle. Grabbing previous lows, closing back bullish. If you can see this 30 re-break the high, like around here, you would be risking off when it does and wherever it does flip bullish. And you're looking to target this area, more so this high here. And ideally, you know, run us back up into there later on. Is this going to push us? I don't have anything in just yet. Let me just see. 15 rejected, re-grab the lows, close back bullish. 5, I don't want this to push us yet. I don't have any orders in, by the way, guys. This may push. I don't have anything just yet. That 5 minute has just closed as well. Closed bullish. We're going to have to be quick on it, aren't we? Markets have been... Recently, we've been having some pretty quick moves at like 7 AM whilst we usually break it down. That's why I don't want to miss these little scalps here. Five minutes is it's still got room. You're only 1 minute into this 5. you take the break to the high, what's that? 5. You got what's up into there? Yeah, it's 8 ticks. It's not bad. It's not amazing. I mean, but yeah, I do believe a lot of people will be trying to short this area on gold. That's why I would like to see this push off. If it just grabs the highs from here, so be it. I didn't get in the flip in time. If you guys did get in the 5-minute flip and the break of the 15, probably want to be managing here pretty aggressively. If you take the 15 flip, as it starts to re-break bullish, you're only 6 minutes in, so you would have to be yeah, managing risk as soon as you come into these areas. I'm not in this one. If you guys were quick enough to get it, to quickly snipe it, yeah, you'd want to manage risk here, because you are just creating this little range. You went long. No, I didn't take it. I was saying I would have liked to break it high. I'm just drawing up just to see how it would have gone. And just if I did take it, I would be break even right here. Mark out major liquidity levels. Nah, my liquidity levels are just areas of where most people are trying to do something and how I can take advantage of it, and that's what I'm buying up into. Most people will short gold, put their stop loss above these highs, and I'm looking for buys up into that. I do think if you're going to see, you know, the push all the way up into here, I believe you will still, you know, kind of have that push down. Probably should have taken the break of that 5 high. Did anyone take that? Did any of you guys on Zoom take that? I didn't. What are you hitting? You're only hitting that. It's only 7 ticks, but still, it's quite nice. It's nice because you'd be at break even quite quick. Yeah, just 2 contracts. Nice. 10 ticks. Yeah, nice, nice, nice. My stop loss for this, Alan, would have been below the current 30 low here. But this one here. Hard stop would be here. But then as soon as it flips and tags you in, then my new stop loss would be here. And as soon as it comes into this resistance, you'd have to have risk off the table. 10 pips already, break even. Nice, nice, nice. I got in. Maybe my stop loss got trigger +2. Nice. You guys got it before me. I didn't get this, but a lot of you guys did, which is good. Good job. I just wasn't quick enough on it. You had to be very, very quick here. So we've been seeing recently, like 7 AM, which isn't London Open. It's like the Frankfurt Open or something. It's like you've been seeing some pretty quick moves. Not the liquidity grab. No, I wouldn't. Only because it would be based off the 30. So 20. Yeah, still 20. It's still good. But yeah, the safest option would be down here. But as the 30 does reflip bullish, I would have it in below the 30 low. Because if you then flip bullish and then come down to create a new low, it's probably just going to push down anyway. So you may as well just be out there. The name of the music I have right now? I don't know. It's pretty bad though. It's just a royalty-free, like 12-hour long video. I definitely don't enjoy it. And I certainly don't put it on here when I'm not on YouTube. But if I put it now, so I'll get copyrighted. So the stop loss amount below that 30 low was around. Where's that 30 low? Yeah, it was like there. You're looking to play this much higher, but as you do come into this level, break even. If this 5 minute next now comes down and grabs the low, now that you're creating some more liquidity up here, I will look to go in as well. Because you'll be looking to... People will probably be trying to short this resistance right now, stop loss above the high. Oh, there's that bottom wick on the 5. If you grab the low, I will absolutely put this in. Grab the low, and I will. Doesn't London start an hour and a half? Yeah, London starts in about an hour. Grabbing the previous 5 low on the futures there. Yeah, you're grabbing it on the futures. You haven't yet grabbed it here on the FX though, but you are grabbing it on the futures. This is the last 5 of the 15 as well. How's that 15 looking? Yes, you need this 15 to close bullish for this to be valid. If we do grab this low and start to reject, I will look to put in this buy stop. If it just closes bearish from here, we'll wait. But you're now creating a very nice double top right here on gold. which is very nice. So cool. Now you're grabbing the low. If we start to reject, we're gonna have a buy stop on this 5. Yes, I am, Tom. Yeah, man. We're on the YouTube, man. We're on the YouTube. We're on everything. I had to figure out a way how to put a video on Zoom and OBS at the same time. I had to buy like another webcam, I think, which I don't really want to do. I know. All eyes on me. All eyes on me. Big smoke. 3 minutes here. Grab the recent equal lows. Yeah, where's that? Like, what? Back down here? Or like here? This is a nice area. This is the liquidity area to watch. All of this. Actually, I'm gonna mark it on from the highest point. Let me just zoom out the way. So I am watching too. Yo, grab this high here. You have so many equal highs there. Look at that. Like basically like a what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 top. So to see that spike into that is gonna be nice. I think we're gonna wait for the 15 close here. First 15 close of the session. If any of you guys did take the buys from here, take the break even. The break even's good because you hit like what? You hit around 8 ticks, but you tapped into that resistance. So managing your risk there is a good shout. Oh, there you go. Just set your output on OBS's virtual camera, then you can use zoom. Oh, nice. There you go. Thank you. So, I will. Let me take a screenshot of that, and I'll try that after. Thank you. Thank you very much. I will give that a try. Appreciate it. 30-minute here on gold. Hourly on gold. Little hourly double top now, which is nice. You guys who took the long, did you take the break even? Anyone still in? I would take the break even personally. I got 1 minute. Put a fib in the last hour. Let's have a look, man. Let's have a look on the hour. You're in like this. Oh, like this. Oh. Oh. Very nice. Yeah, I think I do. That's why I think you'll. That's where I'll be watching. All of that would be interesting to me. You did retrace 50% of this move, but I think you'll see it come up more.
Sorry, this one.
This one? Let's have a look, man. Let's have a look. You're on the 61, yeah. 71 right at that high as well. Yeah, let's mark on that high. Yeah, that high there is going to be interesting. Has that 15 just closed? 15 has just closed. Doji bullish. Doji bullish. Alright, give me 2 seconds, guys. I'm just going to run to the toilet. 2 seconds. signal copper.
With the dollar value thing, and I reckon the colours too.
Yeah, it's proper in your face.
Right, we were talking about it, how like seeing that green.
Yeah.
Like the psychology thing.
Yeah. Please explain analysis and bias on gold. I just spent the past half an hour doing that. If you missed it, just scroll back. I just spent probably the past like half an hour breaking gold down from the daily all the way down to this 15-minute. I just need to go back and watch it. Yeah, it's my fault, dude. Yeah, yeah, I'll be the bad guy. If this 30 doesn't flip, you know, these hourly lows might be maybe of interest. Where's our levels? Oh, I've done it on the wrong chart, but fine, let's keep it here. It's a different day. Yeah, if you missed the analysis, just scroll back to the start of the stream. It's always at the very start. Goldie is pushing down here. If we need to come and grab some more liquidity to see this push higher, it will be below that hourly low, which is here. We're gonna get a strong 5 close here, maybe 10 ticks and close, not bad. Whoever took that trade stop loss hit, nah, I said ages ago, break even. I literally said however many times, if you're in this trade, close at break even. If you took stop loss, then that's your own fault. I literally said like 3 times, break even. There was no reason to hold that trade open. So whoever did take that trade, no, break even hit. Good job, good break even. A very good break even actually. So I lost my house, please. Yeah. Aaron, please. What do you have if this 5 can continue pushing down? What do you have into here? You got, yeah, you got 10 ticks, but you haven't really grabbed any highs. Why is grabbing liquidity so important? It's just how gold moves. Gold is always going to grab previous lows before a push up. It's how gold will always move. Yeah, I know. That's what it feels like. I watched his last night, and it was fucking ridiculous. And he has no tolerance for it either.
Yeah.
He like swears back and everything. I watched like the first time in ages. He does not hold back. Not just gold, every market, yeah, every market, yep. That's why people trade it on gold, Nasdaq, anything. Works for it all. We took some sells on the New York stream yesterday. Where was our sells? We took some sells. Here, was it this one? Yeah, this one. We took. Whoa! Don't do that. We took this. This one, was it this one? Yeah. We took that little 5-minute sell yesterday. Down into this little 5-minute double bottom. Very quick little New York scalp. What prop form? What do you mean for what? What does that mean? Yeah, he's crazy, man. He's crazy. Oh, does he?
Yeah, he says, oh, I'm entering here, for example. Not all the time, but like I think
Yeah, nice.
Like twice. Not just because I want to get back into Nasdaq. I only see like what he sees and what I see against him. But yeah, but, oh, okay.
Did you look at my account? Yeah, if anyone took that There was no liquidity grab, so I couldn't take this 5 because there was no grab of any highs, so there was no reason for me to take it down. But you know, I mean, you're still only hitting like 7 ticks. If we do grab the lows though, and then you know, this is previous hourly low within the first 23 minutes here. If we start grabbing this low and closing back above, I'll have buys into all these highs. Oh, the New York trade, Yeah, no, that was Allah's trade actually. That was Allah's trade. New York sell, scalping into the double bottom. What prop firm use? I use Top Step. Top Step only.
See, Fox of X have got some new features like lockout mode.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I've just tried it. Look on my account.
Nice.
Oh my god.
But I've got it up so it's alright. Lockout mode, it tells you your ping.
That's pretty cool. Let me log in here. Have a look.
Yeah, your ping is trade service being the higher ping and resulting less responsive experience.
Nice.
I like to go to a pub and get yourself on your own. They're really lovely. You want to look at it?
It's 5:37 now.
On my screen, it took the lows on a window, and yours it didn't. Oh, you're on a window as well? Really? That's fucking. That's crazy.
He just told me he locked himself out of his account by accident. Close his trade and locked it. Look how good it is.
How can you be buying or selling the future? It's a great question, man. It's a question I can't answer, unfortunately. It's a secret. Top trading UJ only gold. Nice. That's weird that it's been taken out on yours. To me, it's still got it as a double bottom. Let's see, Forex com. Oh, I don't care. If you grab the Forex com, yeah, not on a end though. Did it grab on the futures? No, it doesn't really matter though. Okay, guys. Hey, Chris, what's going on, man?
You said watching the X platform.
Yeah, man. Yep. I'm waiting to get the funded account on it, but hey.
They're just saying that they've got 21.70, 21.68.
On Top Step X?
Yeah.
No. Oh, sorry, FXCM.
Oh, mom from 21.7 and 4 from 21.7.
Been supporting you for a while. Keep up, Aaron. Thank you, man. Thank you. This is what we're looking for today. We're looking for boom and then boom. That's our plan here. That's our plan here today on Goldie. Goldie. Want to buy the 30 minutes ago? Yeah, it is still a big. That, yeah, it's a 5 double top, but yeah, so if this hourly closes bearish, this is going to be a pretty solid evening star. You may see it dip back down more, because also the 4 hour hasn't grabbed any of these lows for quite some time. For the past 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like 6 candles. I mean, it is possible to also see that. If this hourly does close bearish, you'll very likely see that. Caught GJ buys from 188,743. Very nice. Have a look at GJ to what? You got buys. Oh wow. 8743, 74. Yeah, beautiful. Did you grab the lows? Just about, yeah. Just wicked out the lows as well. Anyone who was buying here, stop loss below the low, just stopped out to the pip and then moved. Very nice. Very nice push, man. Very nice push. I need to email these guys quickly before I forget. What's gold's chopping here? Really can resolve any super fast. Nice, man. Good, good, good. That's what you want as well, man. Good customer service. New email. Let me just mute this for a second. You guys don't want to hear me type in 2 seconds. Alright. Alright, alright. Attach. Hey? I don't think it comes from us.
Take permission on that angle with hard working.
Oh, there we go. Email sent. Goldie, Goldie, Goldie. 30 has just closed. Just bearish doji. Nice strong push. Bearish, bullish, bearish. Triple bottom here now. You're going to see the spike down a little bit more. You're going to see the spike down a little bit more. So could you short into that double bottom? I don't think so. I mean, you could, but it's not going to be worth that, I don't think. What do you have? I mean, if you unless you start grabbing some highs, you may short into them lows. It's possible. Don't be a chop day today, London, because I don't want it to chop. Asia's had some amazing moves. London better fucking continue. An amazing moves at what, 5 AM? Asia had some amazing moves. If London starts chopping, man, fuck me. Boom, lovely push down, nice push up. Look at this, amazing, amazing push up after grabbing the lows here at like 5 AM London time. You've had an amazing push. So I mean, it's going to be expected after such a big push like that. You're not just going to keep pushing forever. You're going to push and then, you know, do this and do this. unfortunately. See, I'm so fortunate. You've lost him. He appears. Gonna start doing Asia lives. Yeah, I know. I think so. Stop London and start doing Asia.
Okay, I tried that.
Nah, I wouldn't. I wouldn't if I was you.
That'd be, that'd be like a 1 a.m. wake up for you.
Yeah, I tried it for a few times, and I was just like, nah, it's not for me.
Nah, you get 20 ticks every single session, even in this little crappy range. You still get 20 ticks. Asia has been clean, but you get just as clean moves in London, just not necessarily in the first 2 hours. You just got to settle that.
Exactly, we discussed it on the US stream yesterday. If London did have the volume like US, holy cow, like it would just genuinely be.
Yeah, you'd make more. You just obviously your stop losses are way bigger as well. But you would make more, yeah.
I'd be back straight up and stuff.
Futures is pushing up a little bit here. Grabbing these little highs. 50 points down to equal lows. Yeah, it's not bad, is it? It's a nice area. It's just ranging. End the stream sort of move and I can go to bed. Yeah, we're going to have to do what we did yesterday. We'll pretend to end the stream. We all don't say anything for like 5 minutes. Maybe the volume will kick in. Anything? It knows when we're on. It knows when we go on stream. A 5 minute just closed bullish there. Grab previous 5, close bullish.
Playing golf this weekend, I don't know.
Nah, not on the weekend, I don't think, man. I usually go to driving range in the week, but I haven't had a chance this week, actually. Been on a few calls. I haven't had a chance to go to driving range this week. The weekend just gets so fucking busy down there. I don't even bother. I can't hear you for some reason. You're like super quiet for me. I don't know if it's just me.
I can hear that there.
We didn't miss much.
Oh, there you go.
There you go,
We got to set that par 3 up. Yeah, 100%, Anthony. Next Tuesday, if you're free, man. Next Tuesday, you want to go play? Want to go play, man? Yeah, it'd be good. Yeah. Stream ended. Yeah, we ended the stream to see if we get some volume because that's how it works, but it didn't give it just yet. Glenview par 3. Oh, nice, man. Let me have a look. Some hedge funds are watching your stream. Yeah, I think so, man. They're like, right, Aaron's off, boys. Pump it. Let's have a look. Glenview par 3. Oh, yeah, nice. This looks nice, man. Let's have a look. This looks clean. Whereabouts this? Whereabouts is this? Oh, yeah, nice. Yeah. I'm down, man. I'm down. How much dollar do you risk per trade on a 150k top step? I did a whole video on risk management rules you should follow. But I would say trade like 5 contracts on 150k. And if your losses are, you trade 5 contracts, you got a stop loss of 10 ticks, you're risking like $500. Anything more than that, 5 to 1,000. I think 500 is probably pretty good because that would give you what, like 6 losing trades in a day, which is more than enough because you can risk up to what, like 3,000 on it in a day. Yeah, it's looks man. Yeah, this looks good. Oh, they do night golf there as well. No way. Oh, that's cool. Oh shit! Look at the fires. Holy shit. Oh, that's cool. Nice. Took a lower lot size 0.1. Yeah, sometimes it's good too, man. There's nothing wrong with taking a smaller size to get a feel for a position. I do that sometimes. Some people just want to go in 1% risk all the time or full trade all the time, but taking something small to get a feel for the markets is a good idea. I do that as well. I do it all the time. You just then can't be mad if it hits TP. Does tops that take 50% of the withdrawal? Nah, you can only withdraw 50% of the profit at a time, but the 50% is still yours. It just stays in the account as a buffer. If you then just want to close the account and take everything, then you can do that if you want to, but it's so you can keep a buffer. But it's still your money. It's just in your account. Cool gaming system. Oh, let's have a look at this. What's this? Holy shit. £5,000. What the oh my god. Yeah, you need one of them. That's crazy. Yeah, it looks well sick. If it closes, follow move stops to break even. Yeah, good shout. Yeah, scalp the range, man. Yeah, play the range. Yeah, this targeting these double bottoms is nice. I did want to see this 5 minute kind of grab these highs and close back below. It did close above. That's the reason I haven't taken the shorts. You think we get a little drop here? Yeah, I am looking for it to grab these lows. Whether or not it comes in now, I'm not really too sure with this volume. Hit one more, then buff you 500. Yeah, I guess if you did, yeah, I guess you'd probably have you'd by far have the biggest payout ever. But yeah, you take 50%, and they keep the other, but it's in your account. Yeah. Now, what would this sort of 5 minute be? Is it worth it? I don't think so. Just about squeezing 10 ticks. It's pretty risky. I don't think so. So if I'm up 20k on a 150k account, I draw 10k. What will my max loss be before breaching the account? Just if you go back to break even, you get the account back to break even, then you're back to square one, back to doing the combine again. So if you have 350k's, yeah, I mean, if you have that much, you would just close the account, take all of it, and start again anyway. Put it into personal. If you pull out that much, there's no point thinking of hypothetical things. But if you make 20 grand, I would take all of it out and just start again. You'd be way better off. People don't. Yeah, I know, David. I know, man. It's crazy. Don't tell the T. Don't tell the T. Yeah, I know. It's so true, David. It's not, I think it's crazy how people do. It's like you see this, it's like, yeah, it's no surprise, man. $5 minutes still pushing higher on gold. I say it's pushing higher. It's moved. It's the past like 10 minutes we've moved what? 4 ticks. Yeah. All right, that's it. We're trading Nasdaq today. I'm out. Buy gold. I don't know whose idea it was to trade gold.
I'll make some advice from yesterday.
Hey man.
I'll make some advice from yesterday.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, maybe he was right. Oil, not moving nice either. Let's have a look at Top Step X. No, I don't know why I traded. Someone told me to trade it one time. Let's have a look. Top Step X. Let me log in here. So let's have a look at Tilt here on Goldie. 47% people long, 53% people short. So it's basically like, you know, just even as well. 75% short on oil. Nasdaq's pretty even. Take a trade on Asia earlier. Now I didn't take it, but the liquidity levels I gave were got hit beautifully. I wasn't trading Asia today personally, but the levels that we had marked on today. Well, I'm looking at this like wondering why it looks so different. So I'm looking at fucking oil. The liquidity levels today in Asia were for gold to come down, and was it these lows? It was some sort of previous. I'm not sure if it was these ones or it was like, I think it was this one. I think it was this hourly low. Yeah, the plan of action today for Asia was when we were all the way up here, come down, grab the lows, and then buy back up into this high here. This was our liquidity high. I should have traded it because it would have been up like 40 ticks there. I wouldn't be sat here right now. Well, I would because I'll still be here with you guys because I'm dedicated like that. But yeah, that was the Asia move today. I'm nice like that. But I didn't trade it personally. I was just chilling. Our Top Step account have unlimited time to pass. Yeah, take as long as you want to pass Top Step. You just pay for as long as it takes you. If it takes you 2 months, you pay 2 months. If it takes you 1 month, you just pay 1 month. That's the good thing about it. Oh yeah, manual lockout. Yeah, what's this? What's this? Server ping. Oh, yeah, look at that. Beautiful trade. Yeah, it was beautiful. It was some amazing volume. You came down, you grabbed all these lows. Like, I think the 15 eventually closed back above, like, where was it? Here? 15 grabbed all these lows, closed back above. You could have just taken it from like here up into there and had your like 25, and that was a beautiful move. Yeah, it was a very nice move. So this one here, as it, you know, as you grab this low here, close back above, I'd be waiting for this 15 closure above this resistance. As soon as you close above, yeah, you'd be looking to get in gold on the 5 like this pretty much. And our upper liquidity level was right here. And as you re-grab that, you then end up completely coming back down as well. So once you grab the liquidity, you've made like, what, 26 on the way up. If you then all of a sudden want to start shorting this beautiful evening star as well, then, you know, you could have even played it back down. Asia had some amazing moves. Where you at, Ross? That looks like a nice place. He's on a green screen, man. He's capping. It's all green screen. Demo traders. His basement. He's down there on a green screen, pretending to live that travel life to boost the community.
He's riding the football pick with the storm.
I don't understand the withdrawal. If I'm up on the account, it hits break even at 150k. How is that a breach? That's just how all futures funding firms work, man. It's just trailing drawdown, daily trading drawdown. That is the only one downside thing about futures prop firms, but that's not Top Step. That's every prop firm, every futures prop firm. Apex has it way worse. Apex has it on like an intraday trailing drawdown, which is even worse. I won't even get into that. It's painful. Lifestyle costs. Look at this 5 on gold.
What are you doing, Rudy?
Chilling, sleeping. Do Top Step only do futures? Yeah, Top Step's futures, but you can trade currency futures as well. Remember, like if you trade Forex, if you guys have watched this who trade Forex, you can trade any of the Forex currencies on the futures markets as well. Let you have a look. Australian dollar, pound, euro, Australian AUD/USD, New Zealand, oil, bonds, gold, copper, silver, Nasdaq, like literally everything. There's nothing you can trade on Forex you can't trade on futures. So you may as well just trade futures. So why you choose Top Step on for future trading? Because Top Step is one of the best futures prop firms out there, in my opinion, and they've been around. They've been around for the longest. I think Top Step is way better. Much different from Forex to futures. Yeah, the main difference is just how good the execution is. You don't have to deal with spreads all the time. The price I buy at here on gold, it would be the exact price I would get filled at. If I was to click buy on gold or sell right gold up now, you know, FX you get filled like up here. Futures I would get filled at the exact price. There's a big difference, yeah. You can trade USD CAD? Yeah, you can, yeah. Do you still use NinjaTrader? Yeah, I do, yeah. But the web platform. Crazy cap on GG at the open? Really nice. Let's have a look. Oh, I don't have... What's the... On... Not GJ, sorry, what did you say? The yen. Let's have a look. Is this 5 going to close back below? How's this 30 looking? Yeah, 30 might flip bearish here and break these lows. If we get a 5 bearish close here, instant top wick again. I may look takes down now. You kind of grabbed some nice highs. You grab these highs, you have a decent level to grab down here. Oh, which it is, you're going to feel the whole fucking range now. Someone say biz? Yeah, I think so. You wouldn't?
Father in this, no, I used to get it from that Sailor Jerry fella back home on a Friday and he started whispering me around.
I'm in. Trade of it will be ready on Monday. Stick of spreads. Yeah, don't deal with spreads, man. Just trade futures. Just way better, man. Not having to deal with spreads for intraday trade like this is a game changer, man. Especially if you only trade like gold or Nasdaq. Like, it just makes no sense to not trade futures. There's no benefit to you trading FX. Like, zero. Oh, there you go. There's the lows grab there on gold. Break even now. Yeah, good, man. Amazing. Nice call. Called it as well, man. Good job. You entered it like around here, I think, which is a great price, man. Very nice price. Good job. Reconnects multiple futures accounts. Are the traders connect? I'm not too sure. I'm not sure. I know you can do like, I could copy 3 TradeOvate accounts in the same place. I agree, David. I agree. So we are grabbing the hourly lows now in the last 5 minutes here. If you break below it, you will look for sells because you've grabbed the highs. You're going to see it come much lower. So if we do close bearish here, London open, we could continue selling gold. But it would have to close below this low. For each trade spread is worth 4 pips. For me, out of 15, 20. Yeah, that's way too much, man. Yeah, if you're scalping 15 to 20 ticks, pips, you can't afford to be giving away 4 each time. That's way too much, man. Way too much. If we can get a little scalp, even if I just take a very small contract to show you, I'll show you guys how good the execution is on futures. Let me just show you. And it's not going to just look. If I click buy, boom, and you're already at like 0 here. So I can literally just close it there. Zero. Didn't lose anything. If I take a trade on FX, I'm like already instantly minus, you know, like $100 or something stupid. So all that did was just do a few commissions. So you pay like what? I think it's like 4.90 per contract commissions, which is, you know, it's pretty good. Session disconnected. What the hell? Man. you get 10 seconds of timeout for that. You need to think about what you've done. Give me a second to answer it. That's 10 seconds of timing out. Thanks, Brian. Brian replied to him as well. Give me a second to reply to it. You keep spamming. It makes me not want to answer it more. You can come back in 10 seconds. And in 10 seconds, I'll tell you. Has it been 10 seconds? I don't know. Jesus. How many was it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the same messages right after each other. be more on it. You want to be a streamer or not? But no, my favorite. You can pick whichever futures platform you want to. My recommended futures platform is either Tradeovate or TopStep-X. This is Tradeovate, and this is TopStep-X. TopStep-X, you know, you can use TradingView charts, so it is clean if you do want to do it there. But if you don't trade on TopStep for whatever reason, then you know Tradeovate or Ninja is pretty good. Seven minutes to this London Open here on gold. We've grabbed the hourly lows. Yeah, we've now grabbed the lows. So this is what we were saying earlier. We've now grabbed the lows. You have all these highs to come and grab. It depends how this hourly is going to close. If we don't close below here, we'll look for longs. If you do close below here, we'll look for sells. So this hourly close is going to be the key here. Alright, give me 2 seconds. Ow. Five, yeah, look at that. Five just closed nice and bullish there. Everyone first time in this room? Welcome in, man. Welcome in. Welcome in. I wonder if you can see this five. Well, there's no point taking this 5 minute flip of this high like I normally would, because even if this hourly is going to close like bullish up here, because this is the last five of the hourly, even if this five is going to close bullish, the hourly is going to close up here. Well, the next hourly, if it's going to keep pushing up, you're going to get the bottom wick to keep pushing up anyway. So you may as well wait for that to be formed. The low and futures never wicked it out. Yeah, it did grab it on mine, but that's why I don't analyze on futures, is because sometimes it will respect it, and if you don't see it grab in the lows, you'll miss the trade. And that's why I don't analyze on the futures. That's why I analyze on the spot chart here, but not futures, because yeah, that in this situation it did actually grab it for me, but there will be a lot of times where it doesn't, and that's pretty important. Very important part of the plan. Oh shit. Five back to close bearish. Saudi's going to be the real key here. If this hourly closes below here, we will look for some sells on gold. Although I think overall today you're going to see this push up, the 4 hourly still has a lot of lows that you could easily still bottom wick into before this push up. You could easily see this hourly come back down here before pushing up, and you wouldn't not want to take advantage of that move. So strong closure below this previous low, which is here, and I will consider some sells, like even back down to this area maybe. So hopefully we get a nice bearish close here with some good volume. Bullish or bearish, I don't care. Just some volume. Sure, I think of Nasdaq. Yeah, let's have a look. Let's have a look whilst we're waiting. We've got 2 minutes till this Goldie's going to close, so may as well. Had a nice little breakout yesterday. Nice dip back down. Let's have a look. I think the daily on Nasdaq is very messy. Daily, yeah, daily's so choppy. Daily, I don't know why you go trade Nasdaq. No, just kidding. Nasdaq. I would be looking for Nasdaq to find some support to grab some highs. I think even if you're going to see a push lower on Nas, I would expect it to come and grab some highs before potentially pushing back down. But you'd be taking advantage of that move up. Hourly, yeah, aggressively chopping. So you want to see closure back above there, and then you could be looking for a push back up into this area. But you have to see it close back above. You've just grabbed these highs here, so if it closes below, I wouldn't really touch this range. I'd wait for closer to New York. But if you start wicking back above, amazing. But I don't think it's going to happen in the next 2 minutes. So I'd be careful in this area. Anywhere in here is going to be very messy. But overall today, yeah, I think to see it retrace a little bit would be quite nice. Is this gold going to close bearish? Yeah, I think this is going to close bearish. Yeah, nice. Yeah, we're getting... This is actually looking to be a nice bearish close now, so we're finally getting some volume. 20 seconds here on gold. Yeah, 15 grab previous 15 high, pushing down. So you had that little intraday grab there. You had a evening star up here. Instant top. Wait, where could you be selling it down to? You could be selling it back down to like here. What would you have here? Stop would be, what stops above the previous high? What's that like? 20 ticks, quite large. No, it's only 20. I mean, 20 ticks is not large, but it's large in comparison to where we would have to manage. I would rather, if I do take the break of this 15 low, I'll put my stop above wherever this current 15 high is going to be. It should be here, but as the 15 flips, if it doesn't close with volume, you don't want it any higher than that. How's that 30 looking? 30 just closed bearish. Audi just closed bearish. 4 Audi's got some downside to come and grab. Yeah, that doesn't make sense. But you... I don't know. It's not the cleanest. The reason it's not the cleanest is because I don't have like a clear double bottom that we usually try and hold, for example. 6BM instead of 6H4, is that okay? If you Google what are you trading? 6B is trading pounds. If you type in British pound CME like this, it'll tell you exactly which one to trade. So if you go here, and you can do this with any of the futures. So you should be on 6BM4. So you can do that with any of the futures. Type in, you know, if you want to look at, just trying to understand what 15's just starting to flip here. If you want to look at gold, for example, this 15's flipping it. You can just type it in. It'll tell you the current contract here. Let's see. This 15 starting to push. How's this 5 looking? 5's kind of messing here. See if you have. Where could you target? You could target what? Here, I guess. I'm sure it's 3 days. Dog of 14 years past. Oh, sorry to hear that, man. That's sad. Good to have you back on the stream, man. No, that's very sad. Hope you're doing well, man. When I join the program, does it go to Discord right away? I'm a bit confused. Yeah, everything's in Discord, man. Yeah, it does it all automatically, man. It's all automatic. It's all automatic. Which website is that? CME? Yeah, let me send it. Let's send it here. This is on gold. There, you can see it there. So what's your biggest trade you've taken? Biggest trade in terms of what? Like ticks, profit, risk to reward. If it's profit, I have no idea. One of the longest holding trades I had last year was the war run. Yeah, you can, Brian. Yeah, go ahead, man. You're all good, man. You're all good. You go ahead, man. You're all good. Thank you, man. All right.
You made me do it.
Sorry, man. Oh, you're gonna post the CME one in?
Yeah.
Yeah. You're all good, man. Fly from Miami. Hello. Amazing channel. Thank you. Appreciate if you helped me transition from FX to futures, making it simple. Good to hear. There's 5 minutes chopping here. I'm not taking this sell just yet. There's 5 minutes. You know, the 15's closed nice here, but it's like, it's a bit meh. Pretty choppy. In a gold short, 5 contracts from 72. Let me see here in the futures, 72. Oh, very nice. You got great entry. You get the, you must have got the top of, wait, where are you? 52.4, 50, sorry, 72.4. Yeah, nice. Yeah, you got it, what, around 72.4, like here-ish? Yeah, nice. Did anyone get in this? I don't think it's worth it, personally. And a pound futures short. Asia liquidity was taken. Nice.
No, I didn't.
I think it's that great.
But if you want to drop like it's hot.
What are you hitting? You're hitting what? It's only 6 ticks. If you did take it, risk off the table.
Well, 30 contracts, that's $1,800.
That's very true. Very true. No top wick on this 5 yet, so you can see this 5 flip bullish. I'm in. Nice. Yeah, if you're for a little half risk, you know, if you want to take it for a half risk, it's not bad. But you want to have stops to break even because this 5 instantly pushes down. So this 5 could easily, this could be the bottom wick to flip bullish. So you want to have risk off the table here. You've only hit like 8 ticks. It's in 9 ticks. It's not really worth securing any profit, but you definitely want to have risk off the table. I've got in on the break of the 5. Nice, Ross. Yeah, nice, clean, man. You've got 3 contracts of 240. Very nice, man. Very nice. Get that stop loss to break even. Column might be continuing to rally from New York. Possible. What did you hit? So you kind of, yeah, you're hitting like all of this area here, like these big wicks. So you see here on the 30, yeah, all of this area. So you have to be quite aggressive. All of this solid area. Yeah, 5 minutes flipping bullish now. So that was the bottom wick. It looks like it's gonna start to close what back above. You close back above this support. You may push. It just took me out for a little bit there. Very minor. Filled me for 2. I do think if we start closing back above, I will go long for a more of a full position, okay?
Yeah.
Because I don't really like the downside because there's no clear target. So it's like you hit like 8 ticks. It's like it's not worth taking any profit, but you hit this double bottom, so you have to at least be break even. If we now all of a sudden start closing back above like here, then closure back above here is much nicer because we have so many daily highs to grab. We do have some false resistance here, and we could easily see this push back into our previous level here. It's like If we close above, yeah, I'm much favouring longs. Much favouring longs? Much more favouring longs. I don't know if much favouring longs makes sense. Much favouring longs. I really like how open you are about taking a long or short purely on chart action. One of the best things that you've taught me. It's so important. Trade what you see. Yeah, 100%, Chris. That's it, man. Like one minute I could be short on gold, the next minute I could be bullish. I never really cared, to be honest. You know, like as this 5 minute close bullish, grab the lows. I'm like, cool, amazing. If this 5 closes bullish, I'm long on the day. But once it then closes bearish, breaks back below, it's like I'll take the shorts. I honestly can out break even. Out, yeah, nice, yeah, good break even, guys. Yeah, yeah. I honestly, I flipped my bias that quick. It's probably too hard for you guys to keep up with, but you know, I have my liquidity levels. If I can trade into them, amazing. But it's like, you know, although I think gold's going to come up into these highs, if we close aggressively below this level, you know, I'll flip it short. I don't really, you know, although I draw my levels and do my technicals, it's not really like a bias for me. I just found that, like, I'm thinking longs, yeah, nice, yeah, me too. I just found that, like, especially when I would look back at like all my losses, the amount of times the market gave me an opportunity to cut my trade at break even and take the other side was huge. So it was like only after doing that for so long that I then eventually start to realize, like, fuck, if I had just traded more neutral, I could have cut this many trades at break even, taken the short and made back way more. But it's such a hard thing to do, to be able to, like, you know, just flip the bias so quick. But it's so important, man. I'm just trying to explain trading to everyone I know. First thing they say is, yeah, markets are going here. I don't know if you're down. Yeah. Hindsight helps. Yeah, 100%, man. Let's close doji bullish. That's 5 minute close above. Yep. I like that, man. Yeah, 15's holding up nicely here, to be fair. You've closed below here. If this 15 closes doji, then yeah, you know, that could actually be nice.
Very nice, very good.
A little break and retest. Yeah, pretty. After it closed back below here, yeah, because it gave an instant top wick, take the short on the break of the low. Seeing if you can drive back down into these areas, yeah. Do you only take trades in high time frame directional bias? Nah, I don't, Tom. Either or, I don't care personally. Oh, nice little 5 minute bullish close there. If it wasn't the last 5 of the 15, I'd long that this current 5, risk off that low. But I'm not going to. Let's draw it up. I'm not taking this, by the way, guys. I'm not secretly taking it either. What would this give you? Yeah, 38. Yeah, if we get a closure back above here the next 5 minutes, I would love these longs. Kind of have this little downward structure as well. But now, yeah, I can take a trade in. If the overall time frame is bullish, I could take some shorts. I don't care. I'm only intraday trading here, so. And like I say, you know, like if I look at the daily, I think daily is going to rip all these highs. But it's like, although I think the daily is going to rip all these highs, it doesn't mean you can't see this before seeing this. So it's like, when I first started, I would wait for this move to happen and then try to take longs. But there's nothing to say this can't just keep pushing down. So it's like, well, I may as well take shorts into that. Make money on the way down, and if I get the longs, amazing, I'll take the longs. But I'm trying to expose myself to the fact that anything can happen. And that's kind of how I got into day trading, because I would, you know, I used to only swing trade. And the thing I hated with swing trading was, well, let's just ignore that insane bull run. But the thing I would hate with swing trading was if I was like, you know, short here and would see these big pullbacks and then continue to push down, it would just mess with my psychology. So I would used to do this on Telegram for free. You guys can go back and watch it. We would have big swing shorts like this. And then I would, you know, as soon as I start getting reasons to, I would also take advantage of these little pullbacks. Because it covers my P&L and it kind of mentally keeps me in check. So like if I didn't have this position, my swing position would go from running in like 400 ticks to back to 90 to then hope that I'm going to get like another 600. I couldn't mentally deal with that personally. So I would take advantage of these pullbacks, take some profit on them, mainly use them as hedges. And that's why I now, if the daily's bullish, but if I get an intraday breakout and I can see intraday pullback shorts, I'll take the shorts. Yeah, I don't mind. Absolutely. re-breaking the lows there. 5-minute not closing back above. This 15 is going to be key here on gold. Watch this 15 now look beautiful all of a sudden. Yeah, look at that 15 now looking beautiful. That's what the 5 does, I swear. What's this? What have I missed here? What's going on? Jandals, thongs, what's going on here?
You call it thong, guys.
No, I don't, but when I first moved here and someone called it thongs, I had no idea what he was talking about.
No.
Seriously.
You wear thongs in your feet.
Yeah, I was on a night out on the Gold Coast when I first came here, and some like proper drunk kid was saying to me that he's lost his thongs, and I like just laughed it off. I was like, I assume he's just fucking being weird or he's just well drunk, and then I eventually realised that thongs just means like flip flops. But I was like, what the hell are you talking about?
When you see my thong there.
private link, only private man. Don't look at that. Sound a bit triggered. Yeah, I didn't get it. It got me. Here, this got me. Now pushing back down. It's the only thing with the 5 sometimes. You take a trade in the 5. 5 looks like it's going to push up. You look at the 15. 15 just broke below level top. We can push down. 15 was real clean there. 5-minute was shit.
Everything for 15 categories.
First came to Oz, my buddy asked me if I wanted to go to Macca's. So I want to go to Saudi Arabia. Yeah, they call it Macca's here as well. Macca's. I feel like I might call it Macca's now. Macca's, Macca's. I don't know what I say now.
Mackie D's, that's what we call it.
Mackie D's.
Mackie D's. Yeah.
Does anyone remember when McDonald's had Diddy Donuts? They were fucking amazing. That was back in the day.
I just call them McDonald's.
You need to get down with the slang. Get down with the cool kids.
Down the good.
I'm trying to understand the downside issue on high time frame. Now I understand that in trade 2 contracts. Yeah. Yeah, 2 contracts on 50k is good, man. That's amazing. That's more than enough, man. Honestly, that's more than enough. Gold finally moved yesterday, right when you closed the stream. I know, and we stayed on for like an extra I think half an hour to see if it would secretly move without us, and it didn't. But then as soon as we did end it, where was it? So we stayed on until like 9:25, which is we usually jump off here. But I thought we'll stay on for another half an hour. As we jumped off, you saw probably the nicest push you saw all day. It's like 26 ticks. It's fucking ridiculous. Maskers. Mex D's.
They had a watch stall down here and close the moon and had all like the fake Richard Middies and Rolexes.
Nice. Mark's famous down there. Mark's famous.
I went and like searched it and it's like fucking it's like
Yeah, some of them are actually pretty good, you know. It's crazy. They have everything.
not these ones. Yeah. I'm pretty sure I saw a battery powered Richard Middy as well.
Yeah, it's ridiculous.
Yeah, so you need your little thing.
You want to go to the ones where they take you in the back room. They show you. Come follow me. I got very good watch. And it's ridiculous.
Watches or what card are you talking about?
No, not watches. But we're moving on from that. So what? 1989. Damn, that's crazy. That's cool. Goldie. You're going to find some support here. There's no top wick on this current 15 just yet, which is also the open of the 5. Sorry, there's no top wick on the 5, which is also the open of the 15. Tapping into these areas here. Oh, it's minus 9. Go over, Chris. Chase them up. See, I'm still waiting.
Minus 9, he'd still be swimming in the sack back then. Yeah.
4 hour. Wait, 3 hour, 4 hour. Yeah, look at that 4 hour. I do believe, even if we're going to see this push up down gold, I do still think we'll look to target these 4 hour lows. This 4 hour is going to close in about 40 minutes here. I'm not going to wait for that. I'd still like to trade before that, but these lows, which is also is it the Asia? No, not the Asia low, but that's, yeah, previous 4 hour lows. You may need to come and grab some liquidity. Currently, last time it pushed to all-time high from the 1 hour. Yeah, really nice. Good spot, man. Let's have a look. Oh yeah, here, yeah. This is a very, very strong level. Very, yeah. Look at that. It's huge. This is what I would like to see. A big wick like this to come and, grab some of these 4 hour lows and then taking the break of that high later on, and you can see this just completely push back higher. What did I say we have? I think there is news today as well. Retook this. You're still in the shorts. Nice. One contract. Yeah, good man. Nice, Russ. To refill a sippy. All good, man. All good. Why is it important to check if we have top wicks on the 15? Well, if the 15, in this example here, if the 15 is bearish and you're looking for sells, and if the 15 opens and instantly pushes down, well, it's very unlikely that the 15 is going to close with no top wick. So if it instantly pushes down, by the time the 15 closes, that could be the bottom wick for it to then reflip bullish and create the top wick. Literally like exactly what you're doing right now. You instantly push down, so this could be the bottom wick for it to now create that top wick. And the 15 is not never, but it's very unlikely to close bearish with no top wick. So if you're looking for sells and the 15 opens and instantly pushes down, well, there's no point taking it yet because this could start to flip bullish. Kind of exactly what we are doing right now. So if I wanted sells, like when I took the sells here, as this 5 minute opened, you instantly had the top wick. So then you're able to get the sell and take the break of the low. But if it opened and instantly pushed down, you wouldn't take it. And on the 5 you get closes with like no top and bottom wicks, but the 5 doesn't really matter. It's more so the 15. You look back, you get some rare occasions here, but majority of all the candles will actually close with a top and bottom wick. And even if it doesn't, you usually come up to regrab it anyway. Oh, what was that? What did you just have there? 10 tick bounce off that level. Yeah, he did get the bounce. Yeah, he did. He did just bounce. That's why it was such a strong level. That's why I thought if you were short on this, that was your target. You are having a nice strong bounce here. Man, look at this 30. If this 30 doesn't close bearish, see ya. All the way back up into there. Valid buy, took the previous 5 low. If it closes above a level, possibly. If you close, wait, where is it? If you buy it now, you're buying right into major intraday resistance. But if you close above, amazing. Then absolutely, yeah, absolutely. Full margin buys, TP all-time high. Absolutely, let's do it. Sounds like financial advice to me.
You're struggling to understand, when you go for the candle from open. Is that something you could help with?
Yeah. Yeah, I got you, man. So what I want to see is, I thought you'd never ask. Let's see if this 5 closed bullish. What we want to see is retest this level like this. Then we want to see this. Yeah, there you go, man. Liquidity. and we'll get in here.
And
Can you explain that again?
yeah. And did you say we're shorting at those lows?
And we're also gonna see the 4 hour. Look at all these lows. Shit. The wicks kind of get bigger compared to the top ones. It's just how it works. It's not, I don't make the rules. Oil's climbing. Oh, nice. Is oil pushing? I'll have them drawn as me. Oil. Yeah, oil is a nice support. Yeah.
On the daily it is.
Yeah. So let's see. Daily. Yes, solid breakout. Back above 80. Oh, look at that. That was nice. This is a pretty nice morning 5-minute star here. Wait, morning 5-minute star? I mean a fucking 5-minute morning star. I don't know what's going on with my words today.
It's just like how you get out there with using for yourself and let's go.
Yeah, man. 5-minute just closed bullish. So you didn't close above here just yet. I was about to say if you get a bottom wick you could consider a risky buy. This is it. Tony's joining. I would love to see this 5 close bullish because that will give a really nice 30 close. Look at that 30, look at that. Tap right into that. Yeah, this 30 close could be really nice here. If this 30 closes even a little bit doji, bullish ideally, and the next we could see gold buys into this hourly. Continue ripping, this could be really nice here, look at that. I'm out on a sell. Yeah, good trade, man, good trade. Followed the plan. That's all that matters, man, that's all that matters. Let's have a look at your chart, man. 3 minutes here. Yeah, we'll wait for this 30. If we have to stay on a little bit extra today, so be it. I think we'll wait for this 30 close. I'll be 2 seconds here, guys. I need a little snacky snack to keep me going. Alright. Asia lows, you looking at these ones? When you take a trade on flipping candle, mostly trade going to 0. What does that mean? I have no idea what that means. You talking about my trades? If you're talking about my trades, no they don't. If you're talking about your own trades, then you're entering at the wrong place.
think they may be talking about how fast you're gonna break even. Possibly, that's kind of how I read it.
Mostly trade. Yeah, I say mostly trade going zero drawdown after taking an entry. Oh, you mean like what do you mean? Sorry, what when you go zero drawdown? Oh, you mean like? Do you mean like why does it go to zero drawdown? Is that what you mean? If you mean why does it go to zero drawdown? Because you're taking it with the momentum, and that's the reason I use sell and buy stops instead of limit orders. Like, kind of like the one we took today, but I'll give you the example of the one on, I think that's what you mean. If that's not what you mean, you can correct me, but if I show you the one on Tuesday, if I still have it drawn on, is that what you mean? Here, so this is based off the 15 flipping bullish, so we got in here. But it's pretty much like, you know, like if you're looking for a sell, say if you just had a nice bearish close like this, and if you're looking for the next candle to continue pushing down, well, if it opens and instantly pushes up, which it needs to create that top wick, then you pretty much put in the sell order. If this is what you mean, you put in the sell order, and then you put in a sell stop, and you're basically getting in as and if and when this candle flips back bearish, leaves the top wick, and then you get tagged in. So you're going in with the momentum, as opposed to trying to take it up here. You can go sit in drawdown, or it can go against you. But if you take the break of the low and take the flip of the candle when it flips from being bullish to then bearish, yeah, you're in with the momentum and in with the volume. So that 30's just closed there on gold. How's that 30 just closed? Didn't close above, but it didn't close bad. Pretty dodgy.
That's me done, lads. I'm off.
Enjoy, man. Enjoy.
Have a beer for me, mate.
See you, man.
I love a beer. Are you doing the York session, Alan?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, I'll probably join you there.
Good man.
No, sweet. You up there?
Maybe that's
See you, man.
Bye.
I think that's what you mean when you take a trade zero drawdown. Yeah, most of them are, not all of them are zero drawdown, don't get me wrong, but most of them are zero drawdown. And that's because I use the sell stops and buy stops. Like this 5 minute here, I was drawing up the buy stop here as well as it's forming the bottom wick. And even if we had put this in here, once it does close bearish, you just delete the buy stop and you don't get tagged in. You're pretty much saying to yourself, as it's bearish, if it can flip bullish, if you're looking for longs, then amazing, you get tagged into a nice order, and you're in with the volume. But in this situation, if it does close bearish like this, then that's fine. You just delete the order. Whereas if you try and take the retest, you're getting stopped out. Yeah, that's just the reason I prefer to do it, man. Top Step have a monthly fee for express fund accounts? No, it doesn't, man. Once you're funded, you stop paying. Got to buy the 15, hit 4 hours, retest, close above my level. Yeah, nice, man. Nice. Sweet, thanks, yep. Alright. How much do you watch the DXY for additional confluence? 0, man, 0. 0. I don't watch the DXY at all. I used to watch it, I don't watch it at all anymore. I really want to see, and this is the reason I was saying don't take the buys yet, because you're buying right into support and resistance. So if you took the buys here before, you're straight into drawdown. You have to break above this level. Nice, Ricky. Love Top Step. Even more discount code. Nice. Good man. Didn't pay Ricky to say that. And that's what we're looking for. And no real targets above the trunk. Yeah, if we have a look, let's have a look. Yeah, more downside. Yeah, you do have these, but I think the 4 hour could give you much more, because you kind of did grab the highs there. It's only when you look at gold on the daily, there's just so many daily highs to come and grab. That doesn't mean you can't wick the lows first, but it's like, yeah, this daily on gold, it's like you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 current daily equal highs, which is so insane. If I join Discord, I love the way you look at the markets. Thank you. If I join Discord to get a better understanding, yeah, you can get the full day trading course and strategy in the community. You get the mentoring sessions. You get loads and loads, man, loads and loads. These streams are just a proof into the pudding that it works. I don't upsell the course or anything like that. It's all in there. Yeah, momentum pass. I don't know. That's all I'm really waiting for here on gold. Is just a closure above this level for some longs. It's the only way I'll take some longs out. I personally won't take any sells because you've just kind of gone from one annoying range, excuse me, straight to the other. Where'd your TPB for the buy? This level up here. This here, my TP would be around 171 on the currency chart. On the futures chart, it would be at futures chart. The TP area would be around 75.5. It's based off this insane amount of resistance and highs up here. What's your answer? Normal day, how many opportunities gold give? Loads. Loads and loads and loads. There was way more Asia opportunities than London today. Yesterday we had New York trades. I had like 3 trades in New York yesterday. I had longs. No, I had shorts, cut the shorts, took the longs, and then took the shorts again. Yeah, me neither. I don't know either, to be honest. But yeah, the Asia buys, once you grab these lows, close back above, you could have had it from there. This here looks identical to this. 5-minute close, grab the lows, close bullish. Next 5-minute close, straight back down. And then what did we end up doing? Ripping. Yeah, it's almost identical. Yeah. But yeah, kind of had a drive already from there. Grabbing the lows again. Hope you're right. Yeah, I don't like longs yet, to be honest. It's still it's massive 4-hour resistance without grabbing any 4-hour lows. I really think you need this. Be very surprised to see this 4-hour keep pushing up. It's massive, and this 4 hours is going to close in what, 22 minutes here as well. If you leave this huge wick rejection, next 4 hours very likely going to bottom wick pretty hard. But you trade what you see, man. There's nothing wrong with it, but that's why it's good to jump in there and see a different perspective, man. Discount code goes to the login page. Nah, it's all automatic, man. All automatic. Yeah, I do like this load to be grabbed, but even to short, I can't take any shorts in it. Look how doji it is right now. It's a slow London grind again, unfortunately. We had what, back-to-back trades on Monday, Tuesday, on stream, and then did we have a trade on Wednesday? What did Wednesday do? Where's Wednesday? Yes, we had that buy on Tuesday. We had the sells on Monday. Wednesday London range. Thursday London range. Friday London range. What time did this drop? Yeah, New York drop. Nah, that's true, man. Yeah, nah, it's rare, man. Because Asia had such a nice move. Yeah, it's kind of expected. And you do have big news today as well. So Did you say you're going live for New York, Khaled?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Banana.
Yeah, I'll jump on, man. Yep. I'll jump on for New York. What time's that news? 12:30. Yeah, 12:30 we got news. 12:30.
Jump on about quarter past then so we can get ready for the news.
Yeah, sounds good, man. Sounds good. Permit lows wiped again. Yeah. I would love to sell it. I just don't see an entry. I'd love to sell it down to here. I just really don't see an entry right now. You had this 5-minute close bullish. You re-grabbed the highs, tried to close bearish, but again, found support. But this is why, although we haven't taken a trade here, we also haven't taken a loss. So for when you guys said you were looking for buys off this morning star, if you take buys before it closes below that resistance, you're going to instantly get stopped out. You have to wait for it to actually close above these levels before you can take the trade. You can have a liquidity grab, but if you don't have a breakout, there's no trade. The liquidity grab is never confirmed till it closes back above. Otherwise, you could be breaking, retesting, and pushing down. If you take buys from here, as soon as it comes up into this resistance and pushes down, in hindsight, you're going to be like, why the F did I buy there? So although you think I'm staying patient and not doing anything and not taking buys, that's literally why. This move down is exactly why. So although we haven't jumped in a trade, we also haven't got trapped in these buys just yet. And we're also not trapped in any sells either. We need to let that sink in. Getting done due to it a lot. Yeah. It has to close above. Yeah, that's it. Liquidity grab is part one, and the breakout is not the most important part, but it's the next most important part. Because if you take this liquidity grab, it's like your break-even point, your first barrier of where it could go against you is right here. For me, I look at like these resistance levels as like barriers of where the trade could go against me, and it has to be like, you know, minimum 20 ticks. Minimum. What's Top Step X saying? Let's have a look. Top Step X.
I don't get oil.
You don't get what, sorry?
I don't get credit. I don't get oil.
Nah, it's shit, nah. It's crap. What did it do?
I was waiting on the 15th, that line was out later. I was waiting for it to take those out as a liquidity, then enter sales. So it just,
Nah, it's so it moves so weird.
you generally enter and actually forget about it, or
Yeah.
just enter. Well,
That price action for us, which has done absolutely nothing.
Nah.
Well, a couple of hours.
Forward mode into a buy. Oh, you can probably cut it pretty well. Alan, good question, man. So it's very true. This did grab previous low. So why am I watching this low? This is a 4-hour low here, man. This is my This is the current 4-hour low. Because I'm just seeing how this higher time frame on gold. You haven't really grabbed any of these 4-hour lows for this whole push up. So I'm just trying to see if we can get something like that. Yeah, on where was I, 5 or 15? Yeah, it has actually grabbed something. So you'd be like, well, why are you actually watching it? It's only because it's actually a 4-hour low. It's been grabbed enough on the 15 to have that push up. But yeah, it's 4 hourly could still come grab, man. Should have checked. That's all good, man. It's all good. It's good to ask the question, man, because that's an important thing to check. Do you go live during New York? Nah, not here on YouTube. Like join in Discord, like, you know, maybe 2-3 times a week. But not live on YouTube. Not, man. Not paying for activation, pay monthly yet. Yep. You got 3 15-minute equal highs here. What are you up to, Goldie? You gonna break out or not? What are you up to? It's waiting for us to end the stream, I think.
yeah.
We're trying to get that fun coupon Friday. That's what I'm here for. It's fun coupon Friday today. What we got here? That's what we got.
It'll be 3-4 days next week or so, US.
Nice, man. Nice. Sounds good. 30-minute. Oh, we may actually finally, for the first time this morning. Yeah, out. Yeah, it does. Let's have a look. Out. Yeah. We might actually finally get a breakout here. You've re-grabbed these lows. You've stopped people out one more time. You finally might just get this breakout. Don't you looking juicy? Yeah, it is. It is. It is. First time this morning, we're actually shaping up for something. This is the 4th week in a row I'm in profit. Haven't done that in 3 years. Grateful for F2E. Nice one, Chris. Good to hear, man. Good to hear. 4th week in a row green is amazing, man. Amazing. Amazing, amazing. Actually gonna be safe. Yeah, nice. Yeah, that's good, Chris. Just been left amazing, man. Amazing to hear. Hard work's paying off, man.
Yeah, absolutely.
25 seconds here on gold. This is looking good. This is the probably the strongest push we've seen for the past like an hour and a half that we've been on it for. So this is what we want. Futures didn't actually re-grab the lows there, so that's why the currency is much more manipulated. If you took it off the futures stop loss blow, you would have been safe. See this wick here? Didn't grab the lows, but it did on the currency. Push back higher.
That's enough, yeah.
Oh, look at that lovely bottom wick as well. Don't flip just yet though, because that'll be the first flip of the 15. Look at that 15. Straight back above this area after re-grabbing 3 drives as well. What would your stop be on this current 5? Not current 5, but previous 5. You'd be talking 16. It's a bit large. Break even from 70.6. Where did you get it from, Chris? Where did you get it from, man? Oh, you break. Oh, sorry, you break even at 70.6. 70.6. Yeah. No, oh, you took the break of the 5 high. Nice.
Yeah, the break of that, yeah, that was
I'm not in this, by the way, yet, guys. I just want to see if you get a little bit more of a bottom 15 wick. I'll show you guys when we do go in. Yeah, you got it from the break of that 5 high. That's beautiful. It made sense.
It's huge.
Yeah, huge, man.
Are you waiting for the next 5 minutes to take out this current 5-minute low to bend?
Yeah, possibly. I just want to see if you think a bit more. It's been a bit too picky, I think. I think it's close of volumes. You probably should just take it. But yeah. I would like that. Whether it gives it or not, I'm not sure. I'm being too picky. We're in the last 15 before the 4 hour. Yeah, true. True. Up 17 ticks so far, getting back today's 2 losses. Beautiful. Look at that owly now. And you still got time here, you know. Even you know, you got 12 minutes. I'm not gonna keep saying it, but you got 12 minutes here. Even if this owly closes above, it's not just gonna open and keep ripping. You're still gonna get a bottom wick. The 4 hours all of a sudden looking strong. 5 kind of broke out that trend line, bottom wick and pushing. Sorry, God, you like to say surprise. Did anyone take this little 5 one? Anyone take that break of that 5 high?
No.
AJ, yeah, nice. Tony, nice. Nikki, nice. A few of you guys got it. If you're trading now or closing half, where did you? So you got it from. You got it from 70.6. 70.6. You got. Yeah, I'll close half right there. To be honest, man. Shane, Matt, Jacob, nice. A lot of you guys did get it. Audio break even, nice. Yeah, David, because you have a nice entry there. So you guys on YouTube, David and on Zoom is in from here on the break of this 5 high, and it's already up. Yeah, you're already up like 21 ticks. I'll close 50%. You got to run as much higher into here. Like it's a pretty decent target now. But if you want to close 50, yeah, absolutely. I don't think it's a bad idea. You can already be, boom. Should have just taken it. What you got? You got like what? It's 8. Not bad. What do you break even? Nice.
Great catch.
Close 3 contracts, have 2 going. Nice, David. Nice, nice, nice. Very nice, man. I was also debating it. You beat me to it. Good man. 6702 long. 6702. Oh, very nice. Very nice. Yeah, there. Yeah, nice, nice, nice. So you're now creating liquidity at this second touch now as well. Top loss on 5 minute entry low. This one or this one? Do you mean that? Where did I just have it drawn? Well, as soon as it flips bullish, you then would have it trailed up. As soon as it has this drive, but the hard stop originally would be here. But once it does flip and tag you in, you know, amazing. You then manage there. Where's that? Where's my liquidity level? Instant bottom wick again is 5. Already BE. Nice, nice, nice. Let's see. So we should see if this hold this level. Let's see if we can keep pushing up. I think if anyone is, if this 5 doesn't flip, you know, what's this? You got 10 minutes this Audi's going to close. I think if anyone is short here on gold right now, you know, stops is probably just above this little resistance. So as soon as you do grab that, you know, there's your break-even point. Remember, this hourly is going to close in 10 minutes as well. So there's no point in taking too much in the next 10 minutes here. Because even if this hourly does close above, you still could easily wick back down. All right, there you go. What's that? You're about to grab the highs. You've already grabbed the highs in the futures, but the currency is just about to grab it right now. So that's that second touch area. I think this is going to dip down more. And I come and maybe grab like this low maybe. But on the here is where anyone who was selling this rejection stop loss either above that high or above that high there. But you're grabbing that first high. As soon as you start grabbing that high, if you guys got the break of this high here, you could easily see this next 5, boom, or hourly bottom wick still do something like that. Which if you do, just go break even and you get another entry at a much better price on the futures, like, you know, down at 71.5-ish. You just wicked out them highs pretty perfectly there. See if you're actually gonna close above here, or you're gonna reject and dip. Remember, we are still, you know, this is a lovely. We waited for that breakout, and then this is the amazing push we're riding. But this is still what you're in. Or if you guys are still in this, you know, just, you know, you can trail below current 5 low if you really want to now. Where did you get, Chris? Didn't you? Were you getting some? You were taking some buys down here, didn't you? Get another, close another 1 contract. Good shit, David. But I just got my funded third broker. Funded futures, but target is 1,950. Yeah, amazing, man, amazing. So I was still looking for shorts at this point. So you were ahead. 28 ticks up. Good man. And also, I got to give you props, Chris, because even though I was saying at this point you may dip down, you stuck to your bias, and that's what's so fucking important, man. So good man. Still in, stop loss higher. Yeah. Up 28 ticks. Amazing, Chris. Amazing, man. Amazing. Because we're getting some volume here on gold, if we, you know, if you do start, if this hourly closes bullish and you start dipping back down, you know, I will stick around for a little bit longer. Because it's usually in the next 7 minutes that we jump off and gold starts moving. We know what gold's up to here. But this is an area where it wouldn't surprise me just to see this. Like, you know, just at least maybe grab some of these 5 lows before then. Re-breaking. How's this? 30. Looking beautiful. Hourly. 3 highs to come and grab. Hourly could still give a decent bottom wick. 4 hours all of a sudden looking great now. Look at that. I really thought if that closed below you would... Look. Nothing against you, just that's my heart. No, that's amazing, Chris. That's good, man. That's good. Stick to your bias, 100%, man. That's what's so important, man. That's what I love to see. You guys sticking to your bias and getting your own place. You get better entries than me. I'm up 100 ticks. Gonna call it late, lads. Enjoy, Tony. Must be nice. Good work, Tony. Good shit, man. 100 ticks on a Friday. 4 hour can look so good. Yeah, literally, that's so true, man. The 4 hour can look like it's gonna flip bearish, and literally in 10 minutes it just completely changes. It's so crazy. That's why gold throws so many people off. You take trades before the close and you just get, yeah, it's stopped out. 2 trades, amazing. Nice one, Tony. Enjoy your weekend, man. See you next week. Yeah, man. Yeah.
100 clicks to trade, that's a mental range.
Yeah, insane. Yeah, can you stream US sesh? Yeah, US. Tony's taking US sesh.
Jeez, that's 100 ticks on a Friday. Holy cow.
100 ticks on a Friday, yeah. What a guy.
I take 100 ticks a week.
Yeah, I would, yeah.
Yeah, how much is your Discord? Say, put the link in.
How much is Discord? Yeah, I'll join. I'm in.
Let's slow down now. That's it.
I still, you know, even if it doesn't grab it now, that's fine. I still think if you go look at this on like 30 maybe, I reckon a lot of people will be trying to do something like this right now. I reckon a lot of people will probably try to short this resistance, which, you know, this initial we could get an initial reaction from here, give this a little push down, and then we can buy up into all of these highs here. I think the next 30 minutes is going to give a pretty decent play here if anyone wants to stick around.
Oh yeah.
Cool, man.
Why not?
This is a lovely push up. We waited for this whole push all day. Five's pushing back down here. I would like this 5 to push down so we can get a better entry and more as well. I'm in this like 2 contracts here. Yeah, I took this little 5 wick. If this was the FX chart, I'd be out here right now. But the futures chart is still holding up pretty nicely. 11 ticks and out. See you next week. Enjoy, Harry. See you next week, man.
Yeah, you better watch it.
Very sneaky. Very sneaky.
You guys on YouTube, rewind. Also, he did say, I will let you know.
That's cat. That's cat. To be fair, I don't have a very good entry. I'm in from 72.7. We sneezed and clicked on it. Come on, yeah, I'm gonna mute you guys. There you go. I'm out of it now. I'm out. I am gonna see if we can grab some 5-minute lows to get a proper entry. I only had 2 in that. FOMO, yeah, 100%. Yeah. Oh, what the fuck? Here. If we can see this next 30 wick into these lows, I think this is a very good place to buy. Here. And what would this give us all the way back up into here? This would give us a much better play. What? 17, 20, yeah, this would give us a much better place. Right, let me run to the toilet.
You playing golf with your Canelo?
Man, it's been absolutely horrific weather. Honestly, it's been like my golf course. A lot of the boys now are travelling to me to play because it's the driest course around, and I'm still not going to play. I was just about to tell the missus, or ask the missus, if she wanted to come to the driving range. That's just like, I just want to play golf, man. It's nearly fucking April. It's like monsoon weather. Have you played any since you've been on the
No,
golf?
I've been there for 4 months now.
That's such a nice course to play.
Yeah, I love it.
You could still get snow, Alan.
Uh,
I remember many times in the UK at Easter there'd be snow.
fucking wet the snow. That's the problem. I'll take the snow, absolutely, but it just slush or sleep, and it's just like rain. It's all, I love to see, even the old guys, oh, I know it's, just, the old guys, like the veterans I love to, they're like, yeah, but they're like, where they're actually faster in the last 2-3 years. It's just, not.
Yeah, that's what my mum's can tell me.
So, is that 4 hour just closed?
I don't mean the, you know, I don't want to forget anything too fast, but you know you can leave, right?
Right?
You know you can leave later if you move to. You don't have to stay there.
Yeah, I'm trying to get the missus to move all the time.
I just realised what you said.
I'm like, can we go? Like, hello? Hello?
So this, hopefully join other stream later. Yeah, nice one, Alan. See you next time, man.
Yeah, jump on out. See you later.
Let's see
So
when.
you guys haul your clubs over there, Mark? Or
Oh, that's
do you
stunning.
do they have decent rentals?
I haven't played, but when Alan and I played in Thailand, for the last 2 years, I like the tutors had from their list, you could like Callaway's, Taylor, whatever, full set. You can choose, like, which is pretty set for fun, which is nice, but.
Yeah.
I mean, what does it cost out? Like, I don't know, like $100 or something, or $60 for a car, and then
Yeah, it's
for
crazy.
TDM as well. After we paid for a caddy at the park.
Yeah.
Do you remember that?
That was the only, yeah, that was the only annoyance over there. They just wanted tip,
That's Thailand for you.
tip, tip. And I'm like, what do you tip for? I just paid 3,000 baht to play here.
Yeah, literally.
I'm like,
That makes sense. Park and caddy.
yeah, then they wanted, was it 300 baht tip afterwards? I was like,
Nah.
no, Mark, where are you going? They were,
Push was that the
I was
week,
so
yeah.
like, oh, maybe. Alan's like, no, absolutely not. I'm like, you know what, you're right. No, fuck that.
yeah.
Did anyone still hold them buys? You guys who are break even? Anyone still in? The target's here.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, he's still partial. Taking profit's not a bad idea. I'm in at break even, up 34 ticks. Break even, nice. Still in, nice. Still in, Nick. Yeah, nice. For you guys, then you got no real bottom wick on this Owly yet. Still holding, yeah, nice. Yeah, you're up like 18. To be honest, with what you've done so far in London today, if you want to just lock it in, I wouldn't be afraid, or trail below the 5 low. If you grab these highs, then amazing, you can close. Still in, nice, very nice. This little fucker got me. This one here. But if you, like I say, if you want to lock it in, there is no bottom wick on this hourly, so you could still get that formed in. So if you just want to take your profit, wait for that and re-enter, nothing wrong with that as well. Nothing wrong with that.
What would you do if I jumped on stream and I had this?
I would take the picture and then you do it like Griezmann.
Getting bloody close though, I'll tell you what.
10 tick trail, nice.
Don't shrink it.
Good, such a W. Yep. I'm out, guys. Done for London now. Enjoy. Still in, nice. Thanks, Aaron. Going out now. Enjoy, man. Enjoy. See you next time, man. See you next week. Good weekend, man. I'm out. 202 pips. Crazy, beautiful, man. Wait for re-entry. Missed that on school run.
I've had a bit of a struggle with them, to be honest. Like I've called what have been good trades, but they just go against you and like the feeling of those weeks you get.
Yeah, man. It's not. Yeah, it's to be fair. It hasn't. This week you haven't actually really done that much. Where do we start? We're like just kind of in a pretty big range. To be fair, that the bounce of that 4-hour support yesterday, like just buying off that 4-hour support here. It's like, man, it's so ridiculous. Just that.
Doesn't take the higher, the 21.70 roughly. Do you think it could come down for like a head and reverse head and shoulders?
Yeah. You could come back down to
5 minutes.
yeah.
There you go. Yeah.
Because then you'd also be grabbing that low. Dude, just grab them highs.
That's the case though. I wouldn't mind punching it down to then so close to those highs.
I would not do that. So when you set up like 30 seconds, looking at those, yeah.
Go on.
I was going to say, because I've been sticking off the 5 minute.
Yeah, man.
Like stick on the 15 and 30. Obviously, the management's not as aggressive. When you were doing your swings and that sort of thing, how would you would you be waiting for 15-minute closures, or would you sort of be reducing risk off when it starts driving? Like, how would you be managing the highs and if you're not watching the 5 closures?
Always off like the probably the 30 closures. Because if you manage it before, like if you trade on the 30 on gold, like it can, like kind of what we've seen here, like it can look so bearish. If you decide to cut your trade before it closes, you cut the trade and it ends up just closing exactly as expected. And that's what gold does so much. Like even like these huge wicks here, like it can almost guarantee you this would have held bearish for like the last like 5 minutes, and all of a sudden it just rips back up. So yeah, 30 and like hourly closures, to be honest, man. If you can like manage off the hourly, then that's even better.
One of the things I'm trying to adapt to, I've been doing a bit of a struggle is, it just stops up a little bit bigger, there's probably a bit more drawdown, so I want to manage aggressively, but at the same time, if you're trading off the high time frames, you can't just see it moving a little bit against you.
Yeah.
With little losses, so I'm just trying to get my head around maybe what might be the best way to approach it.
Yeah, I think like 30 an hourly. But you trade NAS tends to be more trendy. Nah, I don't like NAS personally. It's too inconsistent for me. I don't think the NAS. I think gold's much more repeatable than NAS personally. I just don't trade. I've traded it before. We've had some great trades on NAS before, but it's just so hit and miss. Yeah. Let's see, 30. And gold to me moves very well in any session, every single day. Closed up 1.2k of 5 contracts. Amazing work, David. Amazing work, man. Amazing. 1.5k in what? 5, 10, 20 minutes maybe?
For the week.
Amazing, man. Amazing.
Everyone's going to be taking private jets for the retreats.
Yeah, fucking hell.
Everyone's
Can I have some?
I'm taking a trip. No trips for me.
Yeah,
Stealing all the bits.
that 5 was the nicest. That 5 closed just above that level. Bottom wick. What did you get? Yeah, 18. Oh no, you probably would have got, realistically, below this 5 low, 10, yeah, 10. $30 though. 30 is rejecting this resistance nicely. I say nicely because this is going to be a retail trap. Jump in some shorts, put their stop loss just above either this high or this high. So to see this continue pushing up today would be very nice. Be very, very nice.
Do you think it'll come down to your root level then? Or do you think it'll just take out the 2168, 45? That may be one you got.
Yeah, I don't know really.
It's tricky.
I don't know, yeah, it's just pretty... Yeah, I would, ideally I would get bias from down here. Doesn't necessarily have to though. My DE40 trade going well too. Good man, very nice. Getting the fun coupon Fridays in. Fun coupon Friday.
With the breads.
Better take it away and walk away, enjoy my night. Yep. Yep.
Right.
That's alright, man. I've been taking 5 minutes liquidity before going up. Yeah, I think so, Chris. I think so, man. Without grabbing these highs, yeah, I think so. Yeah, kind of just gone straight back down here. Alright, guys, I'll leave it there. I'm going to wait for a price to get back down to here and then look for the breakouts after. It's kind of just gone a little bit back into the range pretty much. So I'll be watching like this area to potentially tap into before going high. It's massive 15 support, resistance, support. If you hold above this, I'll wait for it to break out and start taking some of these longs. We wouldn't be on for like almost 2.5 hours, so we're still kind of in this little range. We'll take the little plays and yeah, Zoom guys. I'll see you for when Ala jumps on for the New York session in what? Yep, 12:15. Sounds good. Sweet. Nice one, man. See you then. All right. Enjoy, guys. See ya. Bye bye. Bye bye. All right, YouTube fam, wrapping up there. Stayed on for a little bit longer. I was hoping we were going to get a little bit more movement. I only locked in $400. Say only. It was just very quick, small scalps, nothing crazy. But that's me pretty much done for the day. I appreciate you guys taking the time to tune in. There'll be a YouTube video coming up tonight, which is very informative and a very good one to watch. But I hope you guys did enjoy the live streams this week. We had 3 winners and only 1 6-tick loss, all live on stream. The best trade, if you guys want to go back and watch the stream, was probably on Tuesday. Monday and Tuesday had very good trades and good volume in London. Today and yesterday pretty choppy, but comes with it. So I'll see you guys again same time next week. Enjoy your weekend, enjoy the break, and next week we'll go again. Peace.
Thank you.